All right, so in this video, we're going to be talking about, how you can do something like this inside SureCuts Lot 5. Julie asked a question in one of our groups here. It says, how can you make a penny slider? And one of the things that she was trying to create is something like this picture that we've been showing you here, the little wavy pattern here. So anyways, inside of SureCuts Lot 5, this is what I have here. It's a very simple, easy solution. I was just toying around with the idea of this, wanted to see if it actually worked, and it really did. So anyways, it's a nice uniformed wave pattern here. And it was all created, believe it or not, utilizing a circle and a little open path here. All right. So let's go ahead, take a look at what we needed to do here. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new page. And for this, again, you can do something as easy as this. I am going to be using the grid line here to sort of keep me honest. So I'm going to move over 2 grids, go up 1, and then I'm going to stretch this thing out to almost that other grid. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go over 1 grid square, and I'm going to put a little dot right there, and then I'm going to go over 2 more. All right, and then I'm left clicking, holding, I'm dragging again to the same grid point here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cap it off right there. All right, so hit the escape button, and boom, we have our wave pattern that we're going to use. Again, I'm not sure how high you want those to go or how low, but again, I'm just trying to make this thing uniform. Okay, now the next thing is we need the circle, right? So let me go ahead and draw the circle here. That is definitely not a circle. Let me go back to here and choose the circle, and I'm going to hold the shift button down while I'm doing this, and now I have a nice circle there. Okay, so because we drew the path first, that works well. I'm going to go ahead and click on the selection tool. The thing that you want to realize, or that you want to make sure that you have, is the circle needs to be on top. The path that we just made needs to be on the bottom layer right there. Anyways, with both selected, I'm going to go ahead and select both of those. Okay, and then I'm going to go up to the effects menu and object on path. And now this menu will appear right here. I'm going to click on auto preview. And then I'm just going to click on this where it says filter path length. And then I'm also going to move down the spacing. Okay, and as you can see, by moving down the spacing, we're essentially adding more circles there to it. Okay, so anyways, that looks really good. I mean, once you get to a certain point, as big as a circle, you're going to get to a blank there. So anyways, I just go one more, and that looks good. Okay, anyways, we got that. Remove the original object, and then I want to weld. I'm going to go ahead and click on the weld, and now we can see that it looks really good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the OK, and now you can see that I'm done with this. I can delete it, and I have my nice path. Now, something that you may want to do, if you click on the preview, you're going to see tons of these little nodes, and a lot of these nodes really don't need to be there. So again, something that we can do to help us out is with this selected, go up to path and then simplify. And we can sort of see with this window here, we're going from 189 nodes down to 52 nodes with just a simple small threshold. The smaller the nodes, better the cut, usually. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. And we are finished. We've now created the penny slider that Julie was requesting. All right. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got something out of it on how you can do some pretty neat things inside SureCuts Lot 5. Again, if you have SureCuts Lot 4, this process should be the same as well. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you next time. Okay. Bye.